Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Today we're going to show you the beautiful garden. Again. Alright, I like using cotton. So, we take the sheet, we cut it into strips, get rid of all those frays, and then hang them up and get them ready to tie up. Alright, here we go. We're tying up the squash, getting everything vertical in this garden. This garden goes straight up to the sky, and you know what that means. And then it's very critical. You have to be careful when you tie off a plant. And make a square knot so it doesn't slip and strangle anything. And be really careful to your little babies there. And then you want to tie it up. You can make a hitch at the top, but don't get it too tight. Snug, but not like over tight. And then what a difference. All right, everything's tied up. Now what do you do? Look for something to plant. Hey, look, I had these coleus. I got this room next to the catnips and the dahlias here. Yeah, let's prune some of this stuff back. And let's get going here. Now, when you do this, same deal. Cut it up, get it all nice and loose. This is beautiful soil, by the way, back here. And then put the ends in first. And then put your center in, and then you're good to go with, your ratios. What a difference a day makes, or a week in this case. Going from this on June 13th to this morning, June 20th. Pretty nice. I want to wish everybody a happy solstice and happy gardening. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.